No, Bubba.
Static.
Ready? Get up, Jay.
How do you video from this?
How do you video?
Make her jump. Katie, get on there and make her hop.
Hold on. Here, Tyler, get your son.
Oh shit.
Tyler got on there and she was standing up. She goes, oh hell no, and got out.
I did get the video of Tyler lifting her ass in there.
She's telling me relax. Kaya, Kiliana, and Zane, get down real quick. Get down real quick, guys. Get off real quick, yes. You can
Get down for a minute.
Just get off. I don't want to. Kaya, get off really quick.
For a minute.
Just for a minute, you can get right back on.
Kiliana, just for a minute, hon. Just step to the side. Stop whining or you won't get back on there, Miss Thing.
Flick you in the forehead.
I'm gonna pee. Can I get you off, guys, real quick? Don't stay on the springs like that. Can I get pinched? I did. I'm under here. Don't.
I wouldn't
You're
get.
gonna get squatted. I gotta hold my bladder so I don't pee. They're all gonna be pissing.
I will too. If they pee, I pee.
I feel my bladder.
Get up, Jay. Jump. I want to see a flip. I want to see a front flip.
Oh, yeah. My knees just went like this. Come on, Michelle.
Get in there, Michelle. Here, Bailey. Here.
I'm recording on my phone. I can't do both.
Come on. Come on, Michelle.
Zane, get off.
Oh my god, I don't know if I can. It's my pants.
Oh God.
If you put this in the ground, I could do it. That's the way they used to be up on the 11th Street.
If you put it in the ground.
Triangular
In the floor or like in the
in the ground.
That's what I want to do. I want to get an in-ground trampoline.
Yes, that's what they had.
So if you do a front flip and you fall off, you're still going to land on your feet, but on the ground.
Come on, let me see you. Come on.
Come on.
I gotta pee. I'm gonna pee my
Come on, Michelle.
Get in here, Michelle.
Come on, Michelle.
Come on, Michelle.
All the little kids, get off real quick. Again, please. Please, kids, get off real quick. Zane, Kayliana, will you get off real quick? Oh my God. Zane.
All right.
Zane, get off real quick. Zane. Zane Christopher.
You and Ange get in here.
Before your mom gets up, get on. Hurry.
I'm gonna laugh at all three. Start peeing. Zane, get off the edge of it like that.
Yeah, you can't sit on this.
Zane.
Get off of it, buddy.
You can't sit on this.
Zane Christopher. Listen. Kaya, get off. Get off.
Get away from it.
Stop it.
Be careful. You're gonna smash the guitar.
Well, where's Kayliana? Where's Kayliana?
She hiding in the... Kaya, come here. Kaya, come here. Come watch. Zane, get down.
Pretty sure I did.
Dad, get on there.
Let this be noted. Ange peed before the mother. She did. She twizzard.
Dad, get up there.
Okay, we can let this. Supposed to bounce back up. I will. Do that bounce back up.
Kaya, get off. Kaya.
Do that bounce back up. Okay. Down on your butt. Bounce back up. There. Bounce back up.
All right, hold on. All right, come on.
Oh, I gotta pee so bad. Can I stop recording now?
No.
No?
Don't you put that up.
Ah! Don't I do what? Don't put it on Facebook? Aunt Shell. Aunt Shell, don't do what? Don't put it on Facebook? And I need to pee. Okay, can I stop recording?